Hello, my name is Frank Rositas. Today's date is June 29th, 2025. Class is FTT 104. This is my week 4 video submission for the detailed stripping of the Springfield XDM Elite. This will be the final video submission. This weapon, we're going to go ahead and do a clear on this. I want to show you as well that my area is free and clear of any live ammunition and any other weapons. So let's clear this weapon now. Take out the magazine, open it up, do a visual and physical inspection. Weapon is clear, and we'll go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and basically shut up, and I'm going to strip this down as far as I'm willing to strip down. I'm not going to be taking off my optics. In other words, the bolt is going to stay in place. I will be taking out some of the extractor. So I'll take out as much as I can. I'm not going to be taking out the safety back here, the palm safety. I'll take out some trigger. Just not comfortable taking out some of it yet because it's still kind of new to me, but I will go ahead and take out what I can, and then I'll go ahead and show it, have it all displayed out. It's going to go a little fast, and then we'll do speed the video up again as I'm putting it back together, and then I'll talk to you at the end. All right, so let's get to it. I'm going to go ahead and barely pop it out. It ejected. Cycle the next one. Fire again. And it stayed open. Okay, so weapon works. And that was my disassembly and assembly of the weapon of my XDM Elite. I'll go ahead and cut this up and put it all together and submit it. Thank you. Have a good one.